Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Rapid weight gain or growth of any kind stretches the skin and challenges its elasticity. Whenever this takes place, stretch marks usually result. They're lines on the skin surface that most often appear near the abdomen, although they can also occur in other areas, such as the buttocks, chest, upper arms, and legs. When many people think of stretch marks, they immediately associate them with pregnancy, but other factors could be involved: genetics, sudden weight loss, rapid growth, and even stress. While in and of themselves they're not harmful, they can cause people to become self-conscious and produce low self-esteem. These small scars on the epidermis appear when the collagen is compromised from the stress created from stretching the skin. In this process, the production of collagen is interrupted, and the result is an annoying mark. At first it could look red, but after some time a light-colored line forms and creates the stretch mark. So, is there anything you can do to get rid of them if you suffer from stretch marks? Yes, there is. Take a look at some of these natural remedies. 1. Sugar. White sugar is a great way to rid yourself of stretch marks. Used as an exfoliant, it helps remove these unpleasant lines. Just mix a tablespoon of sugar with a few drops of lemon juice and almond oil. Whisk it well and apply it directly to the affected areas. Massage the mixture every day for a few minutes before bathing. You'll notice a significant improvement after about a month. 2. Aloe vera. Widely used for several skin issues, aloe vera is very effective. By soothing and moisturizing the skin, it helps remove stretch marks. Simply rub aloe vera on your stretch marks and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. 3. Castor oil. Castor oil also works on other skin issues like pimples, wrinkles, and age spots. Try it on stretch marks. Rub some castor oil on the stretch marks, massaging in a circular motion for a few minutes. Then take a thin cotton cloth and heating pad. Wrap the area with the cloth and apply heat for 30 minutes. Do this every day for a month as you watch your stretch marks disappear. 4. Olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and other important nutrients like omega-3 fats, it can also help repair damaged skin. Warm up a little extra virgin olive oil and massage into your stretch marks. Not only will it help remove the stretch mark, but it will also improve circulation to the affected area. Allow it to stay on the skin for 30 minutes so all of the vitamins can be soaked into your skin. 5. Lemon juice. A powerful cleaning agent with its high acid content, lemon juice is also great for stretch marks. It can work wonders on acne and other scars too. Massage some lemon juice onto the scarred skin using circular motions. After about 10 minutes, wash it off with warm water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.